Hi, it's Corey here, and today we're going to be learning how to play Can't Help Falling in Love with You by Elvis Presley. Now, there's been lots of different versions of this song, but we're going to focus on that rendition in particular. So the first thing you want to make sure to do, grab your uke, tune it. That is G on the 4th string, C on the 3rd string, E on the 2nd string, and A on the 1st string. Now the main chords we're going to be using for this song will be a C chord, an A minor chord, an F chord, a G chord, D minor, and then we'll also be using an E minor during the bridge. Now the progression that we'll be using for this song will be C, E minor, A minor, F, then we'll go back to C, then we'll go back to G, F, G, A minor, F, and C. Now it's a little bit longer of a progression than we're used to, but it does repeat again. To make a C chord, you're going to start with your 3rd finger, place it on the 1st string, 3rd fret. To make an E minor chord, you're going to take your 1st finger, place it on the 2nd fret, 1st string. Your 2nd finger will go on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and then your 3rd finger will go on the 4th string, 3rd string. To make an A minor, you're going to take your 2nd finger and place it on the 2nd fret, 4th string. To make an F, you're just going to place from the A minor, you're just going to set down that 1st finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret. And there you go. To make a G, you're going to take peace, cat cameo. Hello. Oh, super cute. I just can't help falling in love with my cats. But actually, to make a G, you're going to take your piece, place your 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then take your 2nd finger, place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret, and then move your 3rd finger right between the two on the next fret down. Now that we know the chords, let's get started with the verse. What you're going to want to do is just all in down strums. We're going to have to change chords rather quickly. Make sure you give yourself enough time when playing through that you're going to have time to make all those smooth transitions. Just to start, I would just start going on counts of 1, being able to move to C, E minor, A minor, F, G, C. Just so you can get, it's not the progression that we use in the song, but just so you can get a full movement through all those different chords. Let's try the first verse. Here we go. 1, 2, here we go. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? What we're going to be doing for the bridge is just rotating between the 2 chords of E minor and then A minor. At the very, very end, we'll have a D minor and then the G right before going back into the chorus. To make the D minor, you're going to take your 1st finger, place it on the 1st fret, 2nd string, place your 2nd finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, and then place your 3rd finger right next to it on the 3rd string. All right, let's try the bridge now. 1, 2, here we go. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. And then we go right back into the last verse. 1, 2, here we go. Take my hand, take my whole life too, 'cause I can't help falling in love with you. Now at this point, you can either go back into the bridge and then sing the next verse, or you could just end it. A lot of people just do the first verse and then the little reprise at the end, and then they call it good. You could do the bridge one more time, but if you don't want to, what you could do is just repeat that last line of the song, so it would sound like this. 1, 2, here we go. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. Then we'll repeat. 'Cause I can't help falling in love with you. And I would just slow it down a little bit. I hope you found this helpful. I know this is a really highly requested song amongst my students, so if you have any songs that you would like to work on but you worry that maybe they're too hard and you think a simplified version might be really helpful for you, make sure to comment down below and I will take a look at it and see what I can do to help. Make sure to subscribe so you can check out all the easy ukulele tutorials that'll be coming out every single day in the month of July, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks. Bye.